You can see showers exiting our area. Want to switch modes here and show you rain vision. We've been talking a lot about how much rain fell yesterday. Quite a bit. You'll notice that it's fairly consolidated to the north of Kalamazoo, so Battle Creek actually didn't see that much. From Benton Harbor over to Lansing, and just to the northwest of that, that's where we're seeing the highest totals. I'll put some numbers on here for you. So this is Doppler indicated, seeing about 3 inches of rain. If we look at places like Oceana County and Muskegon County, some pockets of 2 inches there. Ottawa County close to 2 inches, and then Grand Rapids as well, close to 2 inches. So that's a lot of rain. And that's why we saw that fog yesterday as the warm air moved in. And for some of us, it took all day for that warm air to rush in. Today, it's going to be rushing out just as quickly as it moved in, and that's because we have very strong winds that are helping to drag some of that air in. So cooler, drier air just off to our west, and our westerly winds are going to start to push that in, starting at the lakeshore and then transitioning into the inland areas throughout this afternoon. And it's going to be blustery while it does this. So it's starting off on the humid side, the mild side. We're steadily going to get drier all the while. Our winds had the potential of gusting up near 45 miles per hour, and that's why we have this wind advisory for everyone until 6 o'clock tonight. Here's a look at current temperatures. They continue to drop. Ludington now at 38 degrees. Grand Rapids dropping from 50 down to 47. Kalamazoo sitting at 49. So now you'll notice it's only Battle Creek and eastward that we have those 50s still on the board. So our temperatures are going to continue to see this tank. All the while, flood advisory continues because we still have those really soggy conditions from all of that rain that pushed through yesterday. But notice most of the rain is on the northeast side of the storm. We're now going to see the dry side of this storm, the cold side of this storm, as this progresses off to the northwest. So long story short, expect clouds today, maybe a sprinkle or two because there's quite a lot of energy still in this system, but in general, cloudy and windy. This is lunchtime. Few breaks in the cloud cover, especially south, definitely possible. But by 7 o'clock, a revamp of those clouds and a chance for a scattered shower. If we look at your overnight hours, we start to clear out some of those clouds, and then 7 a.m. Saturday is going to be cold, but we have plenty of sunshine on Saturday, so we'll bounce from the 30s up into the 50s with sunshine and light winds. And then Sunday, even better, up into the 60s with sunshine. We do have a chance for some showers late in the day on Sunday. You know, what's so interesting is that we've got cold enough air that's wrapping in that even though we don't have strong storms in the forecast tonight, you could actually see a little bit of tiny hail fall if there's a pop-up shower just because the air is so cold. Isn't that kind of neat? Like, it's not even a strong storm. They're like, no, that's not neat. That's awful. I just want to let you know.
The meteorologists and how excited they get about weather.
I'm sorry, but if this was Terry, Matt, and Bill, and Kyle, they would all be like very
They would be
so
like
neat.
amazing.
We talk about it for like 5 more minutes.
Yes.
So heads up, I guess.
No, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, it's exciting. But if you see hail, it's not a strong storm. It just means that it's cold enough to form hail. I'm going to go sit down.
Go back in your tracking center.
Bye, guys.
Ellen, we love you.
Back to the weather world.
Okay, well, all of the